Hello YouTube, we're fun once again, and I told you that on February 4th, I was gonna end the guess of what lights am I using right here. And the answer is bum 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 glove lights. They're glove lights. See? That's all they are. They're not a common, and I told you they're not something you see every day. Just lights connected to a glove. That's why you see them around my hands. I usually, to make my light shows, I usually go like that. So it'll make the cool light effect. To celebrate it, let's have another light show. I was pretty sure that most of you thought I was using special effects or something. But I'm not sure. Alright. So, that's it. Buy yourself some glove lights. They're really fun.